guys, today we're making traditional chicken biryani on Be Inspired with Mother and Daughter channel. So let's get started with the ingredients. Firstly, the ingredients to marinate the chicken with: half a kilogram of chicken, 1 cup of plain nuggets, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, green chilies to taste, half a lemon juice, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom, a pinch of cloves, bay leaves, star aniseed, green cardamom, whole mace, and whole black pepper. Salt to taste, a quarter cup of oil. So firstly, we're going to mix all those ingredients that I've said together to marinate the chicken. So we're just going to squeeze our lemon juice. And our ginger garlic paste. And our spices. And now mix all those ingredients together. Make sure it's good, well mixed, so all the spices and everything is spread around. Now leave it aside for half an hour to rest. So step number 2, we have peeled potatoes which we're going to marinate with salt and turmeric. So we're adding our salt and our turmeric. And firstly marinating it so we can fry them. So we're going to shallow fry our potatoes. So adding some oil to our pan and placing our potatoes. So just fry them until golden brown. When you see a little bit of colour, you just want it to be a colour for the potatoes. Now we're just going to take them out once they have reached this colour. Now the rest of the ingredients are 1 cup of fried onions, 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves, a quarter cup of ghee, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, a handful of raisins, a handful of cashew nuts, salt to taste, and 2 cups of rice. So we're going to cook our chicken that we marinated first. Just spread it out a bit, then leave it to cook for 10 minutes on a high flame. So with 2 cups of rice, we're boiling 5 cups of water to cook our rice. We're going to add some cumin seeds, salt, and a little bit of oil. Now you're going to add your rice. You're boiling your rice, cooking it for 80%. And leaving the other 20% of the rice uncooked. Your rice shouldn't be fully cooked. Now we're adding our fried onions. Not all of it. Now 80% of our rice is cooked. Now we're going to drain out the water. Now we're adding our potatoes. And we're going to cook until the water's soaked out. So cook until the water is gone. Now on a low flame we're going to layer the rest of the ingredients. So we're adding our mint leaves, our coriander leaves, our fried onions, So add all the ingredients, you're going to layer them. Raisins, cashew nuts, rice, and your melted ghee. And now continue doing the same until all your ingredients are finished. Now on a low flame, cook for 7 minutes. Now, after 7 minutes, we're just going to mix all these ingredients together. It's fully cooked now, everything. So here we have our traditional chicken biryani. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks, bye.